How's it, guys? This is part 2 of my video, guys. For those who never saw Ushaka Marine World before, it is Ushaka Marine World. This is what it looks like. You can say. So yeah, so if you come to Ushaka, guys, you'll see there's a lot of shops here. A lot of shops that you can come and see. Baie winkels hierso. Daar's Echo, what, yeah. Next level living for massages and whatever you want to do, guys. And here's some things here. As part of the massage therapy place, guys, that you want to come for a nice massage and then you can just enjoy yourself. So hier is nou Ushaka Marine World. Sorry, ek praat nou Engels en Afrikaans, so dat julle my kan verstaan. Yeah, so if you come to Ushaka, guys, this is Ushaka Marine World. Lovely place just to hang out and do your things, guys. So there's actually baie dingetjies wat jy hier kan kom doen by Ushaka. As you can see, guys, a lot of things that you can do. There's a workshop here for Builder Bear. So hierdie plek is literally waar jy kan jou eie teddybeer bou. So jy kom hierso en hulle klomp teddybeers en goeders hierso. As you can see, a lot of teddy bears here. So you buy your eie teddybeer, so then you come to this shop called Builder Bear. Like hierso, so you can see. En hier is een vir thank you al die shops wat hier kom. Hierdie is nou min of meer Ushaka plek, guys. Julle kan hier net kom en julle self geniet hier. So daar's klomp winkels en goedes hierso wat julle kan doen. En hierdie kant hierso as jy afgaan kan jy paddleboat gaan doen en so aan. Of as julle gaan paddleboats, kan julle bootritte kom doen hierso. So dit is Ushaka hierdie mense. En hier is 'n toy shop hierso. Jy kan toy shops gaan doen, clocks en boxes. As julle kan sien. Also ziplining gaan doen. So ja, dis min of meer hoe Ushaka is. Julle so as julle wil kom hier na toe en julle wil kyk na Ushaka toe, kom Ushaka toe. It's a lekker plek om deur te loop. Lovely place, guys. There's 2 shops here. It's all kind of things that you can do here. A lot of shops that you can go do. A lot of shops that you walk through, guys, and there's a time flies here. So yeah. So there's 'n plek om te kom as jy net wil uithang in Ushaka Marine World en daar's klomp ander plekke hierso wat jy kan doen. Hierso's baie restaurants en daai plekke wat jy kan kom eet, Spur. Hierdie plek is regtig groot plek. Monkey Lane is hierso. Hierso's Joyland waar jy kan games en goeie speel. Kyk hierso. Hierso's Sausage Saloon. Wat jy kan kom hierso. En dan hierdie plek hierso is 'n Dangerous Creature place. As jy wil kom, hulle het klomp plekke waar jy kan eet. En hierso, jy kan sien, hierso's die Dangerous Creature place hierso. Klomp slange en goedes wat jy wil kom kyk hierso. As jy kan sien. Onder 'n slange hierso binnekant. Daar so lê die slang daarso. So here is a Dangerous Creature place waar jy wil kom if you want to come look at lizards and stuff. There's the lizards here, guys. You can see lizards. Yeah, this is all the places you can come to Ushaka and to see how Ushaka looks like. It's a lovely place. This place is big, guys. This place is big. So yeah. So if you want to come to Ushaka, just enjoy yourself. This is a place to be. You can come here and do all kind of things. So there's a lot of things that you can do here. So it's not like you can't do nothing here. So this is all, and again, there's all stuff here, African heritage shops. So yeah, this is a place to be, guys. If you want to come here, and then there's Nando's here. If you can, Nando's place. There's a Durban something here. I have to show you guys this one thing over here. It's a shark tooth, Megalodon shark tooth. So hierdie is soos die grootste haai-tand, soos die haai wat gelewe het, hoeveel jare terug het die haai gelewe, daar soos hy. Dit is 'n Megalodon haai-tand. So ja, dis nou die hele sharke wat ek vir julle wys, mense. So as julle kom vir vakansie, come for holiday guys, you can come here. It's a very nice place. This is Megalodon haai-tand. Dis hoe hy lyk. Hy is die grootste haai wat ooit gelewe het. Biggest shark that ever lived, Megalodon shark. So yeah, that was my part 2 of Sharka, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to make more videos like this for you guys. And I want to say thank you for everybody just watching this video, and please like and share. And every week I will go further to make more videos like this. Thank you all. Peace out.